Hey guys, it's Shannon, and today I'm doing a Dollar General clothing haul. So, if you guys don't know, I work at the Dollar General, and we actually have a big sale going on right now for our yellow dot. And today was the last day, so I went ahead and bought some stuff because two of my friends are pregnant, both with boys. And so I got one of my friends some stuff for her baby shower, and then I got myself a couple things. Give me 1 second. Sorry about that. Alright, so I'm going to start with these pants. These were not included in the sale, but I'm going to be having surgery on my broken foot here in like a month or so. I don't know the exact date or anything yet. So I bought these because they're really stretchy and they're really soft, so they're going to be really comfortable for me to wear after my surgery. And they were $10, and this is what they look like. They're really long, and I don't think they're really fitted. They're like just cute and comfortable sleep pants, but I know a lot of people that wear these pants like out and about like every day, so I might pick up a couple more if I like the fit and everything of them. And yeah, so I got those, and then is that my receipt for everything else? No. Let me see if I can find the receipt for everything else, because it was on sale and I don't want to tell you the wrong price. Found it. Alrighty, so start with this. I got this pajama set. If I can get the hanger switched. This is the top. It's got a cute little elephant on it. It's just a tank top. And then I got some shorts to match it as well. And these were originally they were originally $9 and I paid $4.50 for them. And then I also got this set, top and bottom of pajamas. They're the shorts and tank top, and it says live, love, laugh, and dream. And this set was $7.50 and I paid $3.75. Alright, so then the rest, I think, oh no, I have one more. That's mine. Then the rest is baby things. So I got this little dress. This came off the hanger. Hold on. How's this go? Sorry if you hear background noise. My grandma's talking to the dog. But it looks like this, and it's super soft, and it's kind of like a baby doll dress, I guess. It's really flowy, and it's kind of a high-low. And then it comes with this necklace, which I love. I think this is super pretty. And again, it is super soft. It's the same material as those pants. Oh my gosh, everything's everywhere, and I have nowhere to put anything. That was originally $4.80 and they were $2.40. Okay. Alright, so the rest is all baby stuff. Now, I discovered whenever I was shopping for my friend that I have baby fever. But I can't have a baby right now. I know I can't, but I really want one. So yeah, I'm just going to be living through my friends that are pregnant and having their own. And so I can have my own. So I got this little outfit. It's for 3 to 6 months. And it says, handsome eyes and chubby thighs. Both of my friends that are pregnant are having little boys. And I kept finding all these girl clothes that I loved. But I'm like, no, I can't do that. I just wanted to buy them like for my future like daughter. But I'm like, no, I can't. I'll get them then, not now. But this was normally $1.80 and I paid 90 cents for it. And I just think it's super cute. And then I got this one. This one's my favorite. I love this one the most. And it's got little lions and hippos and elephants all over it. And again, it was $1.80 and it was 90 cents as well, is what I paid. And then the last thing that I got was this little set, which there's 7 pieces in it. I'm not going to take it out of the thing, but it says ladies man. This is like a little bib that goes in the overalls, or the little onesie, which has little overalls on it. I don't know if you can see them. And then it has a little hat and a little pair of pants and some socks. And this was originally $12.50, and I paid $3.75 for it, so I think that was a steal. And I think it's super cute, and I just love it. And this was 0 to 3 months, and then both of these were 3 to 6 months. So I thought that was a pretty good deal. I'm obviously going to get her more things over time and get my other friend things as well, but this was kind of just what I picked up then for the sale that we were having, and I thought this would be a quick little video for you guys to see. This sale has been going on for a little while, but it is the last day for it. All the yellow dot stuff are 40% off, but then we have an extra 50% off on top of that, so you're getting everything for pretty much 90% off, which is like a steal. And yeah, so I'm pretty excited with the stuff I got. And yep, so I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to leave a like, and if you guys have any suggestions for like different things that I could get them as a baby shower gift. I'm supposed to be, I'm kind of like, they're both like my best friends from high school, so I feel like I need to like do something really nice. So if you guys have any suggestions of something really, really nice I can get them, please let me know down in the comments below. Or if there was something when you guys were pregnant, if any of you are moms, that you had to have like with a newborn or whatever, like it like made everything so much easier or whatever, please let me know so I can start getting some ideas to get some stuff. And yeah, I think that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.